Shahid Bhagat Singh was born in Chak 105, Banga village, Punjab, undivided India, now Pakistan, on 28 September 1907. The Haveli where he was born has been preserved and is open to the public to visit, but it is actually under the possession of a lawyer family since partition. Located 20 kilometers from Pakistan's third largest city, Faisalabad, is Banga village where Bhagat Singh was born and grew up. You can visit a Haveli there and see the room he was born in. You'll also find some of his family's possessions there. Bhagat Singh's revolutionary ideology was a blend of nationalism, socialism, anti-imperialism, secularism and a deep commitment to social justice and equality. His revolutionary ideology was shaped by several factors, including his exposure to various nationalist and socialist ideas, his experiences during the freedom struggle, and his observations of social and economic injustices prevalent in society. He was deeply patriotic and had a strong sense of nationalism. He believed in the idea of a free and independent India where all citizens could live with dignity and freedom from colonial oppression. He was influenced by socialist and Marxist ideologies. He believed in the need for a socialist society where wealth and resources were distributed equitably among all members and where exploitation and inequality were eliminated. One of his core beliefs was the need to overthrow British imperialism in India. He viewed colonial rule as a major impediment to India's progress and saw the struggle for independence to achieve social and economic justice for the Indian people. He advocated for a secular and inclusive society where people of all religions, castes, and backgrounds could coexist harmoniously. He opposed communalism and discrimination based on religion or caste, emphasizing the importance of unity among all Indians in the fight against colonialism and social injustice. Bhagat Singh's martyrdom at the tender age of 23 years elevated him to the status of a Lion of Punjab. His legacy continues to resonate with people who fight for freedom and oppression throughout the world. He is celebrated as a symbol of bravery, patriotism, and the indomitable spirit of freedom. He was not just a revolutionary but also an intellectual. Beyond his heroic example, his writings continue to be studied and revered for their insights and relevance. Please like, comment, and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.